Welcome to another Tech Tips channel. How are you? Thankfully, the wait is finally over. We can start to claim the Rm50 E-penjana via Boost, GrabPay or Touch 'n Go. To be eligible for the money, we need to download and register either one of the e-wallet apps, and the ePenjana app. The Rm50 is only claimable for Malaysians who are 18 years old, and above with a yearly income of less than Rm100,000. Let me share with you how to submit and claim the ePenjana Rm50 with Touch 'n Go, Boost and GrabPay. First, open your Touch 'n Go app. You will see a Rm50 ePenjana is here banner. Click on it. Other than the Rm50, Touch 'n Go also giving Rm300 as a reward, but the Rm300 reward is on a first-come first-served basis. Before we claim the ePenjana, make sure you are already registered the ePenjana app. You may refer to our previous video for the step-by-step registering ePenjana app. At last, it listing all the merchant that joined this program. Gently remind, the validity of the Rm50 is until 30 September 2020, so please make sure you spend it before it expired. Now, we may click on the Claim Now button to proceed. In this screen, please make sure your full name and IC number is correct and same as your My Card. Once confirmed, tap on the Yes, Submit Now button. The application is submitted and completed. And now, what we can do is wait for the Rm50. The process might take up to 5 working days. Gently remind, please make sure you already registered ePenjana. Let's check GrabPay now. In the main screen of GrabPay, you can see the ePenjana banner. Just click on either one will do. Click on the next button to proceed. As same as Touch 'n Go, you need to register ePenjana in order to claim the ePenjana. Click on the Confirm button to submit the application, and wait for 5 working days. Next, let's check on the Boost app. Same as the other 2 e-wallet apps, the ePenjana application is shown in the main page. Click on either one of the ePenjana banners to proceed. For Boost, it's much easier. You may just click on the Submit button, and wait for 5 working days to get the money. Please take note, you only eligible to claim the Rm50 in either one of the e-wallet app. How you will spend the Rm50? Let me know in the comments section. Smile. We end here today. If you found my video is helpful, please support me by like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys at the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.